Google Finance. Google Finance is a website focusing on business news and financial information hosted by Google. If you want to start buying individual stocks and make your money work for you, Google Finance is a great place to conduct thorough research. It is for both the platform, desktop and mobile. Google Finance is to offer you all investment-related information in just one click. Google Finance will help you to find data for stocks you're interested in, market trends, and relevant news to make you more educated before investing anywhere. Most precise information. Google Finance will help you in finding most precise information, as well as, it will impart a comprehensive comparison in an organized manner. Moreover, you can group the stocks you follow and build your own watch lists. Current trend and stock market news. With Google Finance, no information related to finance and stock market would escape from your site. It will show you the news which is most relevant to you. Also, you can check latest trends of your desired location. Create your own portfolios. Google is planning to extend the watch list feature, so you'll be able to play around with model portfolios. The portfolio feature will let you create and customize your own portfolio, easily track daily gains or losses, and review news that is relevant to your portfolio. The new Google Finance will be available in the US in the coming weeks, with more new features following shortly. Just search for Google Finance or visit google.com/finance to check it out. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share your queries in comment box.